Charlie, are you going to have a good Valentine's Day? You have strawberries on your tray. Those are your first strawberries. They're not as interesting as the cheese, though, are they? You like the cheese the best. Yeah. Can you give Grandma a happy Valentine's Day smile? Come on, Charlie. Smile for Grandma. Ooh, you're thinking about the strawberry. Yeah. Yeah. You have strawberry, cheese, and chicken on your tray. Strawberry, cheese, and chicken. That's like a fancy salad without the greens. Yeah. Yeah. Say happy Valentine's Day, Grandma. You just want your sippy cup. Okay, well, get your sippy cup.